Good morning. Safety message for the week of November 29th. Last week of November, first week of December. I chose where I've seen a lot of accidents brought to my attention on hand tool and power tool safety. So that's my message for the week. Here we go. And I found this article, so I'm going to come off of this article because I really feel it's the right message. Inspect tools before every use. Never carry a tool by the cord or hose. Never hold fingers on the switch button when you're carrying a tool. Secure work with clamps or a vise so that both hands can operate the tool. Keep cords and hoses away from heat, oil, and sharp edges, if you will. Safe distance away from anyone else working in the same area or observing your work. Keep good footing. Maintain balance. And it's really going to be critical right now with winter. We're talking ice, snow, sleet, you name it. Rain, for that matter. Wear proper clothing for the task. Okay? Avoid loose clothing, ties, jewelry, those things that could get caught. Disconnect tools when not in use. Before maintaining or cleaning, when changing any accessories. I can't tell you where someone inadvertently hit the start button or just crazy stuff that's going on. And some of it's not, we're just not thinking. Never yank the cord or hose from the disconnect. Maintain your tools with care. You know, cost. I'm a business owner, so cost. If I'm wrecking tools, I'm wrecking equipment, guess what? It affects the bottom line. It's your pocketbooks that are affected. All too often, we don't realize that, but it's true. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations. You don't know how to use a tool, you don't know how to use a piece of equipment, refer to the owner's manual. If not, we'll get an answer for you. Our leadership, we will do that. Remove damaged tools. Put a tag, put a clear message on it. Do not use. Never attempt to override or remove guards. They're there for a purpose. Recently we had a number of those happen, including somebody losing 3 fingers recently. Power tools can cause electric shock when used improperly. To lower the risk of electric shock, employees should never attempt to override the safety features on a 3-prong plug. They should only operate tools within their design limitations and always wear appropriate safety gloves and footwear. Employees should store tools in a clean, dry place when not in use to avoid slippage, if you will, and should never use power tools in damp, wet locations unless the tools are specifically rated to do so. Employees should keep their areas well lit and make sure electric tools don't cause a tripping hazard. Pneumatic tools are powered by compressed air. If used improperly, the hose that attaches the tool to an air supply can detach, flinging the tool and attachment towards others and cause injuries. Other hazards of pneumatic tools include excessive noise, vibration, fatigue, and strains. Employees should wear special personal protective equipment when operating pneumatic tools. And last, hydraulic tools. Use pressurized fluid to generate the force. Jacks are the most common example of hydraulic tools. Make sure the base rests on a firm, level surface. Ensure the tool is correctly centered. Verify that the tool bears against the level surface. Check the lift force is applied evenly. Jacks should never be used to support a lifted load. They can easily cause fatal crushing injuries if improperly used. Message for the week: make good choices. Think and have a vision of what can happen before something happens in the first place. Take care, everyone.